G'day YouTube, so this is a new project bike. It's just sort of a mid-weight cruiser just to go, from here to there, spare shop bike in case somebody needs a bike to ride while theirs is getting work on or whatever. And yeah, it's just got 11,000 Ks on it, so might do the valve clearances soon, make a video on that, probably new spark plugs. Not real sure on the service history, so I'm going to try and check out the coolant. Hopefully the pump doesn't need attention because they're a bit of a hassle to get to if your pump's all clogged up. We'll check the shaft oil. Got to clean these forks up, they're a bit sort of pitted. So that'll be a video. I don't think I'll be pulling the front end, I'll just sort of mask off the chrome as much as I can and just work down. Might remove the guard or something, or just tape it off. Yeah, the front rim's not too bad. It's got a little bit of flakiness at the bottom here, but nothing that, it's too bad for the bike's purpose. It's just a sort of a spare shop bike, and it's got these Vance and Hines that pop a bit, but might be able to run a jet kit through it. That'll be another video. Lean things out. I think it's an EFI, I'm not sure. Might just be a carby. I've only had the bike literally 5 minutes, so I'm just learning as we go. But that's generally what I'm going to be doing with it, just tidying it up, making a few maintenance videos and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that in the future, and thanks for watching.